Welcome to another session of Sport Roundup with the News Chronicles. We'll be taking you all round of what happened during the weekend in the world of football, most precisely. And beginning with the English Premier League, it was Chelsea who were defeated over the weekend by Aston Villa. Aston Villa came from behind to score 2 goals and won that game at full time against Chelsea. 10-man Arsenal were also beaten by West Ham, giving that huge advantage to Liverpool to go further on the Premier League log. Manchester United had to fight for a 2-2 draw against Everton as well over the weekend. And of course, the biggest game in the English Premier League was Liverpool, for the very first time under the guardians of Pep Guardiola, defeated Manchester City at the Etihad Stadium. So let's look at how things looks like at the top of the Premier League. Liverpool stays top with 11-point gap established against Arsenal. Arsenal sit at the second place. We have Nottingham Forest on the third position and Manchester City at the fourth place. Chelsea sitting at the 7th place with 43 points and Manchester United at the 15th spot on the log. So you could see now how the English Premier League had went. So let's go to Serie A, where the African best, that is Ademola Lookman, didn't allow the controversy around him, get over him. Ademola Lookman was on point, scoring for Atlanta during their 5-0 away win at Empoli. He scored in the first half, that was at the 43rd minute, and of course in the second half at the 55th minute. Ademola Lookman during the last week after the UEFA Champions League was highly criticized by his manager just because he missed from the spot kick, but he has been supported by a lot of Nigerians and a lot of people had come to support him. In that Serie A, we saw Juventus win 1-0 and Inter Milan also grab a win in the Serie A. So as it stands now, Inter Milan leads on the log, followed by Napoli and Atlanta, who sits at the third spot. We could also take you to La Liga. In La Liga, we saw a lot of exciting game that actually went down. Real Madrid defeated Girona, and of course Barcelona also won away at Las Palmas. Atletico Madrid also won. The three big dogs all had their game going their way. So as it stands now, we have Barcelona and Real Madrid both on the same point of 54 and Atletico Madrid on 53 points. So these are some of the events that went down in these big stages during the weekend. You know how we do it. You can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you like all our page on social media for all of these latest happening around the world of sports.